Hello children, we shall continue with the second part of the practice book, the topic unit 7 articles. Okay, so we have completed up to the previous page, right? That is the uses of articles with the a, an and the, right? Now we will go to 46 page, do it yourself. Okay, there are two parts left, let us complete that. And the first one is tick the correct option. Now you have to tick the correct option, children. So we will do that, right? Karan went to Anju last weekend or Karan went to Aju last weekend? Karan went to Aju last weekend. It was hot, so he took, you see here, what is there here? Umbrella. So he took an umbrella. Here the is given by mistake, children. You ignore it. It was hot, so he took an umbrella along. He purchased a ticket and went inside the zoo. Why the zoo? Because already see, one time zoo is repeated, and when the second time we are taking the same zoo, we are talking about the same particular zoo, we have to put the. Okay, then ticket and went inside the zoo. A first animal, the first animal. We're talking about a particular animal. So the first animal he saw was an elephant. It was huge and was holding a sugar cane in its trunk. In the next cage was, in the next case was, just a minute. In the next cage was a gorilla enjoying some bananas. To beat the scorching heat, you cannot say to beat a scorching heat, to beat the scorching heat. Scorching heat means it was very hot. You feel like the sun rays are falling directly on your body. It's called scorching heat. Karan thought of buying an ice cream. He went to the ice cream vendor and asked for, we shall go to the next page. And what he might have asked? Yes, let's go. And asked for, yes, an orange candy, and asked for an orange candy. He took out a 10 rupee note from his pocket and paid for the ice cream. We are talking about the ice cream repeatedly, so you should write the only. Here you cannot write an. He went on to see more animals. He saw a lion, a pair of tigers, and even a giraffe. He enjoyed the day. He enjoyed the day, yes, thoroughly, and reached back home late in the evening. In that particular evening, children. So the evening. This is what we have to understand. Okay. Yes, I shall go to the next part. Very small part is left. Read the story and fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. This is the story about the elephant's teeth. Let's see what is that story. Okay, using different articles A and B, we have to finish it. Once upon a time, now we have to use different articles, children. Okay, so once upon a time, in a forest, we're talking about the forest first time, there lived a mouse. Yeah, it's a consonant sound, so you have to put a only here. It was hungry and happened to find a small nut. But now second time we are talking about the mouse, no? So, but the mouse was unable to eat or bite the nut as it was too hard to cut into two. The mouse was sad. The mouse was sad and prayed to God. Oh God, what plight I'm faced with. My teeth are so small that I cannot even have the food I got. The food will say. Immediately God replied back to the mouse. My dear mouse, I made you as I made other animals and I love you. Go and see the teeth. The teeth. Teeth is plural, no? So you have to put the. Go and see the teeth of other animals. I will give you whichever kind of teeth you like. So the mouse set out looking at the teeth of many animals, but it did not like any. Finally, it saw an elephant and was amazed at the elephant's long white tusk. The little mouse asked, the little mouse asked the elephant whether it liked its long teeth, whether it liked its long teeth. Then what happened, children? The elephant replied, the elephant my friend, these tusks which you see are just for show. I cannot use them to chew the food as you can. Besides, we use the here, children? Food is like, we cannot count it, right? So you have to put the food as you can. Besides, I have to bear the weight. I have to bear the weight of the teeth at all the time. Hearing this, the mouse thanked God for giving him the teeth he had. Okay, children? So mostly we use the here. This is the uses of articles. Hope you have understood, okay? And you also practice reading sentences which are combined with different articles, children. You will understand it easily, okay? So hope you are clear with this. I'll send the PPT also. The answers PDF, everything. Okay, copy it, children, and complete the grammar part in your practice book. Okay, take care of yourself, children. Thank you so much.